What if one simple ingredient already sitting in your kitchen could make your morning coffee even better? Most people think coffee is only about caffeine, but coffee naturally contains powerful antioxidants and plant compounds that may support overall health and well-being. Now add one more ingredient, clove. Clove contains a natural compound called eugenol, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When combined with coffee, it creates a unique blend of flavor and beneficial plant compounds that many people enjoy as part of their daily routine. If you often experience morning sluggishness, digestive discomfort, or low energy during the day, this simple combination might be worth trying. Coffee contains chlorogenic acids, while cloves provide eugenol and other beneficial compounds. Together, they create a warm, aromatic drink that may support digestion, provide antioxidant benefits, and make your morning coffee experience more enjoyable. Many people also unknowingly reduce the benefits of coffee by loading it with excessive sugar and flavored syrups. A simpler cup often allows you to enjoy coffee closer to its natural form. So, how do you prepare it? Take 2 or 3 whole cloves and add them to a cup of water. Bring the water to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove the cloves and use this clove-infused water to prepare your coffee as you normally would. If you're short on time, simply crush 1 clove lightly and place it in your freshly brewed black coffee for a few minutes before drinking. The result is a rich aromatic cup with a subtle spice flavor and a completely different experience from ordinary coffee. It is a few important notes. If you take blood thinning medications, consult your healthcare professional before regularly consuming large amounts of clove. If coffee worsens acid reflux and gastritis or stomach irritation, this drink may not be suitable for you. This drink is not a replacement for medical treatment, medication, or professional healthcare advice. Sometimes small habits can make a meaningful difference over time. A few minutes in the morning, a cup of coffee, and a simple kitchen spice may be all it takes to add something new to your daily routine. Try it tomorrow and see how your morning feels.